In this captivating video, we delve into the fascinating world of the Indian Constitution, focusing on Part 1 titled Union and its Territory, covering the articles from 1 to 4. So let's begin with the articles. Let's start with Article 1. Title: Names and Territories of Union. It provides an informative overview of India's territorial structure, as outlined in its constitution. It highlights that India, also known as Bharat, is a union of states. The territories of India encompass states, union territories, and any additional acquired territories. Article 2, Title: Admission and Establishment of New States. It delves into a significant provision in the Indian Constitution. It emphasizes that the power to admit and establish new states that did not exist previously is solely vested in the Parliament. Article 3 titled Formation of New States, Alteration of Areas, Boundaries, or Names of Existing States. It grants Parliament the authority to act on states and territories. Parliament has the power to create new states by separating or merging territories, increasing or decreasing the area of any state, altering state boundaries, and changing state names. However, any such bill must be recommended by the President and referred to the affected state's legislature for their views. Article 4 titled Laws under Articles 2 and 3 for amending schedules and related matters. The laws under it amends schedules, including the first and fourth, and it may also add provisions on representation. Such laws are passed by a simple majority in Parliament, and these laws are not constitutional amendments under Article 368.